The $5,000 car dealer trick you can cancel within 3 days. Most people walk out of a car dealership having spent $2,000 to $5,000 more than they needed to, not on the car itself. On something the finance manager slipped into the paperwork while you were excited about your new vehicle. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, why dealers love it, and how you can cancel it and get your money back. In most cases, within 3 days of purchase. Welcome to Fuel Your Wealth, where we break down the money moves that actually make a difference. Let's get into it. When you buy a car and sit down with the finance manager, you're handed a stack of paperwork. You're tired, you're excited, you just want the keys. And that's exactly when the finance manager offers you something called a vehicle service contract, also known as an extended warranty. They might call it a protection package, a care plan, a security package. The name changes. The price doesn't. It almost always runs between $1,500 and $5,000, and it almost always gets rolled into your loan without you fully realizing it. Here's what you need to know. These contracts are almost entirely profit for the dealership. The markup on extended warranties is often 400 to 800%. That means a warranty that costs you $3,000 may have cost the dealer $300 to purchase wholesale. The rest is pure profit. They are some of the highest margin products sold anywhere in retail. Now here's the part dealers don't advertise. In most states, you have the legal right to cancel a vehicle service contract within a specific window, often 30 to 60 days, and receive a full or prorated refund. And in many cases, even years into the contract, you can cancel and receive a partial refund for the unused portion. But there's an even more powerful move. If you catch it within the first few days of purchase, before you've even driven the car much, many dealers will cancel it with a full refund. No questions asked, especially if you're polite but firm. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1. Find the contract. Go through your purchase paperwork and look for anything labeled extended warranty, vehicle service contract, gap insurance, paint protection, fabric protection, or tire and wheel protection. These are all add-ons that may be cancelable. Write down the name of each product and the amount charged. Step 2. Call the dealership and ask for the finance department. Not sales, finance. Tell them you'd like to cancel the vehicle service contract you purchased. Be calm, be direct, and don't apologize. You have every right to do this. They may push back. They may transfer you around. Stay firm. Step 3. If the dealership gives you trouble, contact the warranty company directly. Your service contract paperwork will have the name of the actual warranty provider. It's often a third-party company. Call them directly and request cancellation. By law, they are required to process your request. Step 4. Follow up in writing. Send a cancellation request via email to both the dealership and the warranty provider. Keep a record of every communication. If you finance the warranty, the refund will typically be applied directly to your loan balance. Step 5. Check for gap insurance separately. If you were sold gap insurance, which covers the difference between what you owe and what the car is worth if it's totaled, know that you can almost always buy this through your own auto insurer for a fraction of what the dealer charged. Cancel the dealer's version and get your own. The average person who goes through this process recovers between $1,000 and $4,000. That's money that goes directly back to your net worth, or straight into your Fuel Your Wealth savings account. One final note. This video is not legal advice and laws vary by state. Always check your specific contract terms and your state's regulations before taking action. But the bottom line is this. You have more rights as a car buyer than dealers want you to know about. Use them. Links to resources in the description below. If this saved you money, subscribe. We break down moves like this every week. See you in the next one. And remember, everything here is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial